Are you all ready to take your English to the next level? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you use ChatGPT as your practice partner. I know you must have heard about ChatGPT, but let me explain you briefly. ChatGPT is an AI tool by OpenAI founded by Sam Altman. So this video is about to be insane. So don't miss this video. Watch this video till the end. So I am going to break it down this video in 3 parts. Each part you will get immense knowledge in order to use ChatGPT as your practice partner. So I am start with part number 1 called vocabulary part. Why I am starting with vocabulary? Because vocabulary played significant role in your spoken English. Without vocabulary you can't speak English in rest of your life. So you need to improve your vocabulary. Let's say I can't able to recognize any word for a long period of time, then I will go to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, hey Chatty, please explain about this particular word. Then ChatGPT give me explanation about that particular word with example. For example, if I give ChatGPT a word called evacuate, then ChatGPT will explain about that particular word with example along with right pronunciation, as you can see on screen. So by doing this thing, it will improve your pronunciation, it will build your vocabulary and lot more sentence structure. Now I am moving on part second called immersion. So this is a very technique that every single person use who want to improve their spoken English. Simply what you do one thing. Go to the ChatGPT and give this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, can you talk to me in English? Because I want to improve my spoken English. Where you talk me as a tutor and I will talk to you as a student. So it will start conversation and talk to you. It will not just talk to you, it will improve your pronunciation, grammar mistake and sentence structure. So it will not judge you, it will not make you feel shy, it will improve your English step by step as a tutor, as a personal teacher. In the part second, that you need to do another thing called situational conversation. What does that mean? It means go to the ChatGPT and ask to ChatGPT, hey Chatty, can you talk to me restaurant type of English, where you talk to me as a waiter and I will talk to you as a customer. So start talking to ChatGPT and according to his question, give proper answer. And where you make mistake, it will improve your mistake and pronunciation and grammar. For example, if I need to talk on doctor related conversation, then I will give this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, can you talk to me as a doctor? Where you will talk to me as a doctor, I will talk to you as a patient. So it will start talking to you as a doctor. So it doesn't matter which type of situation you give to ChatGPT. There are so many words that we often confuse. We don't know where should we use this, where should we use that. So for example, for and since, we often confuse between these two. So simply you have to go to the ChatGPT and ask him, hey ChatGPT, can you tell me right use of for or since, and any particular word that you often confuse, you can ask for to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give you proper and right use of that particular words. Now I am moving on part third. This is very important and very indispensable part of this video called practice part. So it doesn't matter how much content you are consuming, doesn't matter how much video you are listening, doesn't matter how much song you are listening in English, doesn't matter how much book read or newspaper reading you are. Until you will start practice English, you will never speak this language. So try to practice as much as you can. In order to practice with AI tutor, simply you have to go to the Google Play Store and download ChatGPT AI version. So according to your interest, you can talk with an AI tutor, ChatGPT AI tutor. Simply you will give a simple prompt, you will ask by your mouth, and he will talk to you in English. So it will train your mouth to speak or fluent in English. It will train your brain to think in English, and you will use to with spoken English. So I am going to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button and give it a like and share with your friend who want to improve their spoken English. I will see you in the next video. Bye people. I talk about practice in my every single video because practice make perfect things.